MMDA traffic constables and street sweepers received merit badges today. They were given due recognition for their invaluable work during the just concluded 5-day visit to the Philippines of Pope Francis. Sweden Velado has added details.
Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA Chairman Francis Tolentino awarded their employees with Matapat Merit Badge and Certificate of Recognition for their noble service and contribution during the pastoral visit of Pope Francis. Rain or shine, various task force units of MMDA performed their duties such as traffic management, cleanup drive, and providing security for Pope Francis and Filipino citizens.
Pinapaabot po natin ang pasasalamat sa lahat. Lalong-lalo na yung mga kadarating lamang kagabi na galing pa ng Tacloban. Lalong-lalo na yung ating mga nagwawalis na kahapon ay nagwawalis pa rin. Nung nag-crash po yung aeroplano sa Tacloban, ang una ko pong nakita lumapit na ambulansya at personnel na tumulong doon sa mga pasahero ay galing sa Road Emergency Group MMDA.
According to an MMDA official, their agency has 3 kinds of badges: Marangal, Matapat, Disiplinado, and the employee who completes 6 badges is rewarded with 50,000 peso cash and has a chance to get promoted. Meanwhile, 186 tons of garbage were collected by MMDA street sweepers at the Carino Grandstand, where an estimate of 6 million Filipinos graced the concluding Mass of the Holy Father for his 5-day pastoral and state visit.
186 tons ang nakuha kahapon. Sinasabi nung iba, madumi pa rin. Kung ang umattend ay 6 million at ang per capita garbage ng taga Metro Manila ay 1.5 kilos per person, dapat meron tayong 9,000 tons. Pero ang nakuha lamang ay 186 tons. So meron tayong more or less na 8,200 tons, 8,800 tons na basurang na-reduce. Hindi ba nagpapakita na yun ng disiplina ng mga Pilipino? Happy tayo doon. Disiplina yun.
After the recognition rites, Chairman Tolentino joined the employees in a budil fight at the grounds of MMDA. Tolentino shared that he is happy and satisfied with the positive results of their preparation and implementation of rules and regulations for a systematic and peaceful visit of Pope Francis in the Philippines. For People's Television, this is Sweden Velado.